Hello. In this screencast, we're going to show you what an example course on Moodle might look like so that you feel comfortable with using Moodle. So, here's an example of a course page. At the top, you'll always see the course code and name. Within the topmost section, you'll also find the announcements forum. The staff who take part in the course will post any important messages here, so you should check this forum regularly. When a staff member posts a message, you should also get an email with the same message, so it's a good idea to check your Lancaster University email regularly. Now let's have a look at a few important links. Here you can see that there is a link to the LU Library OneSearch. This is where you can search for articles, books, and other data and information that will help you to better understand your subject and complete your assignment successfully. Now, if you have questions about your email or accessing university systems, then you'll want to click on the other link, which is Lancaster University ISS. Here you can find lots of answers to many questions you may have about setting up your device on Wi-Fi, setting up your iPhones, your Android devices, and so on. Now let's look at the important course information section. You'll often find a video that introduces both your lecturer and the course in brief. You'll also find links to your course textbooks, module outlines, and timetable. Again, what you see on your Moodle course may be slightly different. In addition, in this section, you'll also find the task checklist, which is a list of items that you should complete as you progress through the course. We understand that many of you have busy lives, so we hope that you'll find this feature particularly helpful. You and your lecturer can track your progress through the course by viewing your activity results. Some activities require you to tick off whether you have completed them, and other activities require your active participation, such as in a discussion forum. Finally, have a look at the signposts. You'll see these throughout a course. Each signpost tells you what to do and/or what you can expect to do from any activity that appears below a signpost. Now let's look at the Discussing Our Learning section. We'll use this section for discussing articles, theories, and practices, and other subject-related information that you read about. Your lecturer may ask you questions, as he or she is especially interested in hearing what your thoughts are on the issues about what you're reading. Discussing what you're learning with peers will help you to better understand concepts, theories, and practices by getting you to think critically about these ideas before you formulate an answer. This will also help develop your ability to write clearly, concisely, and to the point, all of which are important, for example, for writing your essays and reports. Now, if you have questions about your assessment, then there's a separate forum for those questions within the Assessment, Information, and Submission section. Moving on, each course may be slightly different in terms of the workshop and materials section. This section will usually include presentations and other workshop materials and/or links. These may be uploaded before, during, or after your workshops have been completed. Now, as you will see in this example, the lecturer has laid out the activities, reading, and discussions that he expects the students to complete prior to the workshops. This learning that takes place before the workshops will help you, the students, to engage better with the subject matter and ultimately on your assessments. Finally, we have the Assessment Information and Submission section. In this section, you'll find relevant information about your assessments. This important information will tell you how to submit your assignment, the file format, and when and where to submit your assignment. Please read these details very carefully, as lecturers often have particular requirements that you must adhere to. In addition, please mark these details, such as the submission date, into your calendar. If you have any questions about the assessment, please ask your questions within the Assessment Frequently Asked Questions forum. If one student asks one question, then this might answer the same question that other students have, and ultimately help everyone out. That's it for this screencast. Good luck.